Hey everyone, managing inventory for a large Shopify store can get complicated fast. Yeah, more products, more orders, more chances for mistakes. In this video, I'll show you how to keep things under control. First, make sure inventory tracking is enabled for all products. This is the foundation of accurate stock management. Next, keep your catalog structured. Use collections, product types, and tags to stay organized. If you store products in multiple warehouses or stores, yeah, configure inventory locations, set low stock notifications. This prevents unexpected out of stock situations. For large stores, bulk editing saves massive time. Update quantities, prices, or SKUs in one go. If your operations are complex, yeah, consider advanced inventory apps for forecasting and automation. Track which products move quickly and which don't. This helps with smarter restocking decisions. Enable real-time inventory sync across channels. Especially if you sell on multiple platforms. And that's it. Strong inventory management keeps customers happy, reduces refunds, and protects profits. Yeah, definitely worth optimizing.